Hello and welcome back to the Master Civil Engineering. This video is dedicated to freshly graduated civil engineers who after graduation are struggling to find a job in top construction companies. I will provide you step-by-step procedure how you can start your own structural consultancy business, from mastering fundamentals to launching your own structural consultancy firm. You just need to follow these 12 steps to start your structural design consultancy. First is that you have to build skills. Second, you have to become an expert, and finally you can launch your own firm. So first part comes that you have to become a good structural designer. For that you have to follow 3 steps. First, you have to go back to the basics, because deep theoretical knowledge is the foundation, and without it software will give you always the wrong answer. You have to read some important structural books such as Mechanics of Materials by Hibbeler, Theory of Structures, Intermediate Structural Analysis, RCC Design, and Limit State Design of Steel Structures. Finish these books before starting your consultancy business. Okay guys, after that you have to master the codes and the software, not only the national but the international codes, because these codes are the backbone of structural design. Some of the IS codes which I recommend you to learn is that IS 456, IS 800, IS 1893 and IS 875. Also, you have to learn structural analysis software. I will recommend you to learn STAAD.Pro and CSI at ETABS, because they will help you to analyze complex structures in hours, not weeks. Manual calculations are always nightmare. You have to learn modeling, how to apply load and load combinations, and how to design the RCC and steel structures. Phase 2 will involve 4 steps, okay, 5 advanced steps that you have to become an expert designer. For that you have to go for real life project mastery. Okay, you can ask your seniors for real project files, you can join study groups and communities, take internship, and remember that experience over theory always prevails. Then you have to make bulletproof mindset, because starting your consultancy business or starting anything is always the hardest part. So maximum force is needed to create the motion. Read some books like Atomic Habits, find a mentor, and join an accountability community. Also remember that great engineers make not only safe structures but economical structures. Safety is the requirement, but economy which is differentiates good design versus a bad design. So learn how to optimize material quantity and minimize cost without cutting corners. Step 7 and 8, you have to improve your digital skills. You have to learn how to prepare Excel and Google Sheets, because these are mini software for beam and slab design, most powerful non-CAD tools. So learn how to prepare Excel and Google Sheets, how to prepare professional reports in Words and Google Docs, how to present your ideas through PowerPoint presentations. Also, you have to become an OK drafter. You don't need to be a CAD expert, but you should be knowing the CAD, because design must be converted to drawings for site execution. For that you need to know the CAD, okay, because these CAD handle the most complex drawings, okay, in hours. So you also need to make quick edits on the drawings, okay, and avoid costly back and forth for minor changes. Then comes the phase 3, that you have to launch your own structural consultancy business. For that you need to follow the 4 steps. First is that you have to launch your business. You can register your company, get the GST number, build website and professional email, and set up your socials like LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram pages. After that, go client hunting. You can network with local architects and contractors, use testimonials to build social proof. You can write ads on Facebook and Google's, and also set a booking system on your website. Then you have to build your team. First, a small team is enough. You can hire 1 to 2 structural engineers, or you can do your own work. After you start getting some work, you can build more team, that is add more members to team, or outsource your work, okay, and scale if you get 5 clients, more than 5 clients per month, okay. And always you have to create SOPs for every role, okay. Document design process step by step, okay, and always learn to build version history and folder structures, because you will need to make revisions to the structure, so you have to always create a version history. But wait guys, there is a faster path provided by Novatr which will help you to master all these 12 steps, which will take years of costly trial and error into 7 months journey. So what is Novatr? Novatr is an industry recognized career accelerator program for architects and engineers. It's a world's most structured path from fresh graduates to working professional to certified BREEAM professional with real world project exposure from day one. So you will work on 40 plus real world projects, get support from 400 plus industry mentors. You will have 10 advanced career path. You will get industry recognized certificates, and you can get hired in 800 plus AIC hiring partners. So there are 8 reasons why engineers choose Novatr, because its results are backed by real outcomes from 8,500 plus graduates, and the program offers strong networking opportunities that can help you to build and grow your consultancy business in future. Okay, so first is that you will always learn by doing with real projects. You will train on 12 plus industry standard software tools. Okay, from day first, every task will mirror what you will do in top AIC firm. Okay, and it will give you portfolio that will speak for itself in any job interview. You will learn without quitting your job. Okay, every live class is recorded and available on demand, so you can attend live classes when possible and catch up at your own pace when work get busy. So sessions are typically held on weekday evenings and weekends. There is a cohort learning and strong peer network. Okay, this peer network is one of the most underrated benefits of the program. You collaborate on cross-domain studio projects, solve problem together in community forums, and build genuine professional relationship. Okay, also you will get industry recognized dual certifications. Okay, so after completing the Novatr BREEAM professional program, you will get multiple certificates such as Autodesk authorized training certificate for Revit, Naviswork, and BIM workflow, NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation certificate, and also Novatr phase certificates for every milestone achieved. And you can always join Novatr without financial pressure. Total program fee is 2,75,000, but you can reserve your seat for just 25,000, and you can pay in EMI options starting as low as 9,000 per month with zero interest on EMI plans. There is a real cross-discipline project collaboration. So during the collaborative studio phase 4 of the Novatr BIM professional program, you will work alongside learners from architecture, civil, and MEP domains on fully federated BIM project, running clash detection, in resolving coordination issues, and producing joint deliverables. Also, you will get personalized 1:1 career guidance. Okay, so you will get direct access to 400 plus industry practitioners from ACOM, Jacobs, Foster Plus Partners, Zaha Hadid Architects, and so on, through which you can book 1:1 calls with mentors, get clarity on advanced career path which suits you, receive personalized resume and LinkedIn feedback, and also you will get the insider knowledge what these top AEC firms look in interview. Also, you will get interview preparation and portfolio support. Okay, you can practice company specific technical rounds with mock interview simulations, receive rubric based feedback from industry recruiters, build a professional BIM portfolio, craft a standard CV and LinkedIn profile, and get insights on what exactly these top AEC firms look for professionals. So Novatr BIM professional program has 5-phase curriculum. The first is BIM fundamentals, second is foundation studio, third phase is core studio, fourth phase is collaborative studio, and final phase is ISO 19650 simulation. Phase first is BIM fundamentals, in which you will learn what is BIM and why it matters. You will learn cross-disciplinary impact. You will be introduced to Revit and also what are the domain fundamentals. Phase second is Foundation Studio. okay, in which you will set up coordinated BIM projects, create domain specific models, build data driven workflow. Some of the sample projects in which you work is Peace Resort Retreat, Glenwood Residences, Nexus Verde Residences, Standalone Parking Hub, Skyline Residences, and Arbor HVAC systems. Phase 3 is the core studio, in which you will learn how to transform BIM models into coordinated client ready documentation. You will learn how to prepare sheets and drawing sets, how to make schedules and quantity takeoff, how to give annotation and dimension standards, and what is ISO 19650 documentation protocol, which is an important documentation protocol followed by top AAC firms like ACOM, Jacobs, ARUP, and all the major global firms. And phase 4 is collaborative studio, in which you will work with architecture, civil, and MEP learners on fully federated BIM projects. Okay, you will get federated model coordination, you will learn clash detection and resolution, BIM coordination meetings, and also how to deliver digital packages. Phase 5 is the ISO 19650 project. You will learn real ISO 19650 aligned projects on your chosen typology. So some of the typologies are Nexus Height Portugal, Nexus Square Portugal, Nexus Terminal Portugal, and Mass Rapid Transit Jakarta. After completing the BIM professional program, you can choose 10 advanced career paths provided by Novatr, such as structural analysis, structural modeling, AI and automation, project management, infrastructure modeling, sustainability, interior modeling, and landscape modeling. Okay, each is taught by the domain experts. So if you are ready to build your own structural consultancy firm, start with these 12 steps and accelerate yourself with Novatr. You can get free resources on Master Civil Engineering. So start joining Novatr BIM Professional Program today. It has a total duration of 30 weeks to 40 hours, 5 phases, and 10 advanced career paths. Okay, so enroll today on www.novatr.com. EMI starts as low as 9,000 per month. I'm also attaching this presentation with the video so you can download it and read carefully about how you can start your structural consultancy business and what are the benefits of Novatr BIM professional program. Okay, thanks for watching Master Civil Engineering. If you like this video, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.